Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Practical session, determination of carbon dioxide in water. Student, today now we discuss practicals, determination of carbon dioxide in water. So the introduction of the surface water is normally contain less than 10 ppm free carbon dioxides. So the groundwater mainly easily get the concentrations. So carbon dioxide in water is a classical method burette titration method. Okay students, so the classical method burette titration methods fill the burette with standardized sodium hydroxide. Take a 100 ml of sample in a conical flask and add the 10 drop of phenolphthaleins indicators. So reactions are CO2 plus NaOH convert to NaSCO3 plus Na plus H2O. So the sample must be fresh and performed immediately after collections of water sample. Reagents are used in a determination of carbon dioxide water by improved evaluation methods. Students, next method are improve evaluation methods. In these reagents are used in 1.5 N sulfuric acids for acidifying the samples and 0.0 N barium hydroxide for absorbing carbon dioxide and standard 0.04 N hydrochloric acid for titering by barium hydroxide and phenolphthaleins indicators. Okay. It is to the in these diagrams the blank determinations of 200 ml boiled distillation water and the indicated use the 14 ml of barium hydroxide solution into the absorbed tube and add to 0.2 ml of phenolphthaleins indicators and acidity the samples by the additions of 25 ml of 1.5 N sulfuric acid for burette. So apply heat it by means of the 300 watt hot plates and after the 15 minutes of the recirculations barium hydroxide is titrated with standardized hydrochloric acids. So students, in these diagrams in the distillations of water, determination of carbon dioxide in water by improved evaluations methods. Okay, so the evaluations methods are used. The sample is the 200 ml of the water. The indicator is introduced to the 40 ml of barium hydroxide solution into the absorption tube. So add is equal to 0.2 ml phenolphthaleins indicators. So acidity the sample by the additions of 25 ml soap and 1.5 normality of the sulfuric acids from the burettes. So apply heat is means by the 300 wet hot plates and after to the 15 minutes recirculations of barium hydroxide is treated with a sterilizations hydrochloric acid is present. Okay, so students, in a determination of a carbon dioxide water by improved evaluation methods. Okay, thank you.